Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with a promised video. Listen, you guys, I have really been hard at work because I've been hearing so many of your requests, and a lot of you are still struggling with getting that weight off. Well, like I told you, I have been hard at work, and I got some powerful items that all right. Now, you've already seen this moringa living bitters on my channel already, okay? And one thing I want to explain to you about these living bitters detoxes are that they are detoxes. It's going to get you to eliminating all of that extra waste that you got built up in your colon. These are just the same as the flat and firm belly detox. This is why when I drank this on top of the other stuff, I had very good result. It was really cleaning out my system. Well, the moringa detox does the same thing. This is a detox, so when you take this every day, it's going to stir you up, it's going to get you going, and you will be going. Only thing with this moringa is that you take it twice a day. You take 2 tablespoons in the morning and you take 2 tablespoons before bed. This promotes weight loss. It also gives you energy, and it extracts toxins and wastes from your body. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about the moringa. The moringa provides prominent support and cure for common chronic health conditions such as blood pressure, diabetes, acid reflux, hypertension, regulates the respiratory system, digestive system of the body. It heals pain, heals stress, reduces fat accumulation, detoxification of the blood circulation system, and improves sexual functions. The next in the detox family is something that you will not see anywhere else but on this channel. And that is the soursop and turmeric living bitters detox. Now listen, let me tell you something. These all have its own individual benefits. They're all doing the same thing. These are all natural herbs and roots. All of them are 5-in-1. Now these are all new, okay? This one has angelic root, nutmeg, and myrrh extract. This is a herbal tonic, and it also helps to control regular bowel movements. It also prevents heart and nerve disease. And I'm going to explain a little something about this one as well. This combination cleanses the colon to prevent various diseases. It also helps to balance inflammation levels in the body to keep it healthy and strong. This may be used as a preventive measure against asthma, coughs, stomach distress, high blood pressure, sexual weakness, and more. It's very effective in insomnia, uric acid, back pain, eczema, rheumatism, and diabetes. It also has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. This also boosts the immunity. Now you guys, if you think that's it, no, I got more coming, all right? The next item that I want to show you in the bitters detox family is this Jamaican wood and neem tonic. Okay, this is also a living bitters detox tonic, and it eliminates waste and toxins, and it's also good for balancing your cholesterol and your blood pressure. This is also a 5-in-1 tonic, and it's made with hibiscus, acai, and cat's claw extracts. This formula has been passed down through generations of family healers of the Maroons of Jamaica. This mixture has been used traditionally in Jamaica as a general tonic for blood, body, and nerves, and the Carib Indians have used these all natural ingredients for centuries to help boost immunity, raise vitality, and as a cell pick-me-upper. This increases vigor and vitality. It's a nutrient that helps protect you from harmful free radicals, and the vitamin E also helps your body fight germs and keep your blood vessels open and clear of clots. And the last one in the Living Bitters Detox family is this activated coconut charcoal and senna leaf living bitters. I'm telling you, you guys, I'm so excited to show you these items. Now, this is a botanical tonic. It's also a 5-in-1. It promotes energy and helps you to boost your metabolism. This also eliminates toxins and waste from your body. This powerful detox bitters is packed with highly absorbent materials with millions of tiny pores that can capture, bind, and remove unwanted material when suspect food and drink is consumed. Toxins from very low quality processed foods and environmental pollution are a real problem. It is important to help your body eliminate them and promote a healthy digestive system and brain. Chronic exposure to toxin produces cellular damage, allergic reaction, compromised immunity, and more rapid aging. All of these are chemical free, no artificial colors, and they're all natural. Now listen, you guys. When I say these are going to get you going, these are going to get you going. This is something that you take first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Then, of course, you would do your regular routine, whether it be a detox, whether it be a smoothie, whether it be a healthy breakfast, as well as eating healthy throughout the day. Then later on in the evening before bed, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of this. This is what's going to help you to boost your metabolism so you're able to lose that weight. This is also going to clean your body out. This is great for different parts of your body. And this is what's going to help to give you that glowing skin. This is great for blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, and so much more. These are awesome herbs, extracts. If you want to lose weight, if you want to take your healthy lifestyle journey to another level, get a hold of these tonics. I will have them listed down below in my eBay store. These are 16-ounce bottles, and they're going to last you for a bit. So I'm telling you, these are awesome extracts. You can't go wrong with natural herbal products that starts working on you right away. They are beneficial to your health. They're beneficial to your body. These are going to help to get rid of that excess waste in your body. And if you incorporate this while you are eating healthy, while you are drinking these teas and smoothies, listen, you talk about that stubborn belly fat. You talk about that low metabolism, that thyroid disease that you're having that's slowing down your weight loss. Drink these herbal detox tonics and you're going to see results. These also help you with bloating. So if those of you who have been having issues with bloating, this is going to help you to go. It's going to help to relieve all of that backed up waste that you got built up in your body that's giving you that protrude stomach, okay? Because that belly area, if it's sticking out, that's not all fat, okay? Some of that is feces, and you got to get rid of it. So this way you can get rid of that blood pressure problem, you can get rid of that diabetes problem, you can get rid of any type of heart disease issues, liver issues, kidney issues. So like I said, these are all wonderful herbal natural stuff. If you are on any kind of medications, always consult with your doctor first just to make sure that it's safe enough for you to take. So you guys, check out down below in my eBay store for these awesome detox tonics. Also, don't forget the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. It also gives you energy. It boosts your metabolism up. It helps to eliminate that excess waste in your body. These are all natural, herbal. You can't go wrong. So you guys, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for patronizing that eBay store, and I'll see you in the eBay store. Hey family, this is the Velvetlox coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication, as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the links to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below.